Hi friends, in this video I will explain two important things you need to do for manifesting. This is 2 times a day. One is specifically when you fall asleep, just before you go fall asleep, and then the second one is just before you wake up, the transition state. Let me explain why this transition state is important, right? When you're awake, we say our brain is in a beta wave state, which is typically between 13 to 30 hertz frequency vibration. You are active and in a busy state. And when you fall asleep, you go down to the alpha state, which is typically about 7 or 8 to 12 hertz range. So in this transition time, very critical, when you fall asleep, you're drowsy, and when you wake up, you're still drowsy. It's what we call the transition, the gray zone, the transition time, or you can call it sunset versus sunrise, the twilight time, right? It's not fully sunny, fully dark. It's the same twilight. Transition time is your alpha and beta wave transition, going from, I've said, about 15-30 hertz down to about 8 to 12 hertz. Now, what should you do in these two states, right? It's very critical. You're transitioning in and out twice. Also in the spiritual world, they talk about, right, in the awake state, the conscious state, you're going into the non-conscious state of dream state, which is subconscious, or you call it the spiritual state, or a non-physical state, your mind. And this state is very critical. That is the state you influence your subconscious mind a lot. So we're going to do these 3 things. And when you fall asleep, here's the step. You go to bed, you relax. I'm going to give you 3 simple steps, 1, 2, and 3. Step 1 is you lie down and you kind of relax. Have a deep breath, let go, relax of the day, and start slowing down. It's very simple, just a couple of seconds, just relax, deep breath, let go of the day. Don't worry, just the day is done. That's step 1, just relax. The step 2 is go to your desired state. You have your wishes, your desires, and you think about them, or basically you have a slideshow, you visualize, you imagine in your mind that you want to be, that you wish to see in your life. Maybe it's money, maybe a relationship, maybe good health. And you feel, you look at that as it's already here. You're enjoying it. You're feeling that money, you're feeling that job you're looking for, you're there already, or you have a good relationship, you're having a wonderful time with your partner, or good, whatever you want, you believe that you have it, and you feel that, you visualize it, you imagine it. Let that slideshow in your mind flip through of the positive desires you want to have. That's number 2. Number 3 is it'll automatically make you happy. It'll raise your feeling, your higher vibrational feeling about how positive you feel. And that's what we're really after. You're transitioning with that positive feeling. And that's the thing you're looking for. It's not the brain frequency, talking about your heart and emotional frequency. You have a joy. You fall asleep in the joyous mode. Don't do the opposite. Don't think about what went wrong, all the bad things happen, your fear and worry, and you're down, sad, depressed. Don't fall asleep, because you're going to transition into the non-physical state with a lot of the down vibration and sadness and fear. You don't want that. You want the opposite. That's the creation state. So basically you enter with your positive feeling and vibration and what you want to be. So very simple. Relax your mind, and that will drop down from beta wave to the alpha wave, and deep breaths, and then go into your desired feeling of desired visualization, what you want, and your desired, manifesting thoughts, whatever there is you like to have in your life, and you see that, visualize it. Last step is feel the feeling of joy and happy, and you fall asleep, that you transition yourself, like opening the door and you enter the other world with that state. You're entering in a nice, relaxed, positive state. That's the state is going to reflect back to you. Now let's go to the other side. Have a wonderful sleep. One more thing. Sometimes it happens to me when I fall asleep. When I go to bed, I fall asleep very quickly. Even I imagine I should do all these couple of things, but I sleep before that. For people, if it happens to you, could be like me, then before you lie down, maybe you sit in the bed for just a minute, or you lean back in your bed just for a minute, have a deep breath, relax your mind, go from beta waves to alpha wave down, and you do what I talked about. Do the slideshow in your mind of positive things, and let go of the worries, imagine, and then feel that, and then you lie down. Because if you're a person, you lie down, you sleep in 10 seconds or 30 seconds, you don't even have time to think about it. But if you're a person who have a couple of minutes, then do that in the bed lying down. Okay, let's flip the thing. Number 2, I'm going to come to the number 2 here. Number 2, you're waking up. The opposite. Waking up, you're transitioning from the non-physical, the dream, and the other state to the wake state. You're moving from the alpha state, which is 8 to 12 hertz brainwave, to the beta state. You're going to kick up into the active vibration state. Now, same thing, you should do the opposite. You relax, and you're already going to be in a calm state. And then you go into the next state of what we call, it's going to be a good day. Do not go back to the yesterday thing, what happened or the problem. You believe it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a wonderful day. And you're grateful for everything that's happened to you before and going to happen today. So you feel positive. You imagine things you want happening now. Today is the day it's going to happen. Today will be a wonderful day. Have that positive feeling and rise yourself up. So you strongly believe in it. You can say that in your mind. You visualize your thoughts in your mind as well. And then what you want. You can even visualize. Imagine what the day should be, and imagine that in a positive way, and be grateful for, it's going to be a wonderful day. You're also grateful for the past. In fact, I forgot to mention, the gratitude is one of the best things. Even the night before when you slept there, if you have an issue of raising your feelings, just be grateful. Hey, I'm very grateful for what I already have. I'm grateful I'm healthy, I'm sleeping, I'm alive, I'm breathing, I got food, I got a relationship, I got a job, I got some money. Look at everything good that will make you smile in your face, that will make you fall asleep. Same thing in the morning. You show a little bit of gratitude that will raise your positive emotional feeling, and go through the today, belief, conviction. Today is going to be a good day. I'm going to be happy. I'm looking forward to it. You rise in that way, and don't jump out of the bed and worry about it. Look at your phone and worry about what happened to you. That's just too much. I'm just going to say transition a little bit slowly. Many of us have an alarm clock. Alarm clock may, just going to wake you up like that and then jolt you out, and then you jump out of it, go to the back. I would say this, have a smoother alarm clock, like Apple's alarm sometimes is slow and nice. Or if your alarm clock is there, you can shut it down, and then you stay in the bed for just a couple of minutes, just 1-2 minutes. Just slowly raise yourself from alpha state to the beta state, and stay in a positive mode. Believe the great day, bless the day, and you look forward to a wonderful day. It is going to be a great day, and you look at the grateful things happen to you, and you play in your mind, your visualization, things you want to happen that day, things you want to happen in the near term. You play that, you believe in that in your mind, and that's going to happen. That's the opposite. You're going to go from the sleep to the wake state. You do these two, and again, feeling is a secret as well. And then imagine what you want to be, and gratitude. All those are good techniques. You go from the awake state to the low, quiet state in a positive way. You enter that state, and you come out of it as well in the morning. You follow this, guarantee this. I'll guarantee this. You do this for 3 months. You're going to, even 2 months, even 1 month, you're going to start seeing effect. You're going to have a better days. You're going to be in a more positive way. Do not enter sleep in a negative way. Do not wake up in a negative way. I'm just asking you to do the opposite of that. Excuse me. So that's what I want you to do. That's what people are recommending as well. That's what the experts talking about. Even Neville Goddard, the SAT technique is exactly that. And sleep, state akin to sleep. That's what Neville Goddard talks about. This is basically, that's the twilight zone, or basically the state you transition. Same thing in a wake-up state. Abraham Hicks talks about the wake-up state. You go into a state of appreciation, looking forward to it in a positive way. Don't look at the phone right away, and it is slowly ease in. and you start the day in a positive way and keep it however long you possibly can. Hope you do that. Put a comment in terms of how it's going. Try this for 30 days or 60 days, in fact, forever in your life, but you'll start seeing impact on your life as well. You'll start liking it and you'll start following it every day. So in summary, please do these two things. Things you do when you go to sleep and things you do when you wake up. We end the day and you start the day with these few things and some positive affirmation and gratitude and a positive feeling. I wish you well on this stuff. I'm Vaidhi. I'm part of the Manifesting the Best channel. Hope you liked it. If you do, give me a like and a subscribe and a thumbs up and share with people. And I will see you in the next video. By the way, I do have a free manifesting course you can join this year. And you can sign up on spiritualuniversity.org. I do have a free ebook as well. If you sign up, I'll send it out to you. Hope you practice these two methods of falling asleep and waking up. I wish you the well. I wish you the best on manifesting. Take care. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.